In today's video, we are going to make a Christmas red velvet cake. The ingredients you need for the cake are gluten-free flour, red rice flour, oil, eggs, cornstarch, sugar, and milk. Separate the egg yolks and egg whites. Submerge the egg yolks in the milk and the oil. Start beating the egg whites on medium-high speed in a stand mixer. When they start turning white, add in half of the sugar and continue beating on the highest speed. When lines start forming on the surface, add in half of the remaining sugar. At soft peaks, add in the remaining sugar and add in the cornstarch. Beat on medium-high speed to medium peaks. Mix the egg yolks, milk, and oil. Add in the red rice flour and the gluten-free flour. Mix until it looks like this. Fold about 1/3 of the egg whites into the egg yolks. Fold that mixture back into the remaining egg whites. Pour into a cake mold. My mold is 9 inches in diameter and 2.5 inches in height. Bake at 325 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. The ingredients you need for the cookies are gluten-free flour, butter, honey, an egg, cocoa powder, salt, and vanilla extract. Warm the butter for about 5 minutes and whip it for 20 to 30 seconds. Mix in the vanilla extract, salt, and honey. Mix in the egg. Mix in the cocoa powder and half of the flour. Add in the remaining flour and fold it in with a spatula. Refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Form into a dough. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Roll the dough into a sheet about 1/4 of an inch thick. Use cookie cutters to make gingerbread man, snowman, and Christmas tree cookies. Set aside the lump of extra dough. Place the completed cookies on a baking pan and refrigerate. Roll the extra dough into a sheet and repeat to make more cookies. If the dough becomes too soft or sticky, freeze it for about 10 minutes. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. Let them cool completely before removing from the baking pan. Remove the cake from the mold. Cut it into 2 slices, each 3/4 of an inch thick. Bake another one of the same cake and cut it into 2 3/4 inch thick slices. Tear the extra cake into small chunks and dehydrate at 150 degrees for about 2 hours. Grind the dried cake chunks into cake crumbs. Beat 3 cups of whipping cream to stiff peaks. Dice any fruits of your choice. Assemble the cake. Cake slice, whipped cream, diced fruit, whipped cream, cake slice, whipped cream, diced fruit, whipped cream, cake slice, diced fruit, whipped cream, cake slice. Spread whipped cream onto the top and side of the cake. The ingredients you need for the glaze are whipped cream, butter, cocoa powder, white chocolate, and milk. Place all the ingredients in a bowl. Microwave for about 1 minute and mix until the butter and the chocolate melt. Cool to room temperature before using. Use a hot cake knife to make the surface of the cake smooth. Place the remaining whipped cream in a piping bag with a small round piping tip. Decorate the cookies. Pour the chocolate glaze along the top edge of the cake. Slowly rotate the cake while pouring and occasionally stop rotating it to create a drip on the side of the cake. Spread cake crumbs around the bottom and top edges of the cake. Using a large star piping tip, pipe 6 to 8 stars around the top edge of the cake. Place a cookie on each star and one in the center of the cake. Place the remaining cookies around the side of the cake.